We're seeing all kinds of crowds as the pandemic recedes. There's Madison Square Garden last night. Knicks gained 15,000 fans. And the U.S. is turning a corner in the fight against COVID. Check out this map from the CDC. The red shows high levels of the disease back in January. Now, significantly different. You see it right there.
And vaccines, George, are contributing to that success. There are now 9 states with 70% of adults getting at least 1 dose of the vaccine. But there are new questions this morning about younger adults and those shots. And ABC's Steve Osensami is at the CDC with the latest. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning to you, Michael. At this point, health officials here at the CDC aren't making any changes as to who they feel should get the vaccine, but they are looking into a small number of possible reactions from the shot. Scientists at the CDC are investigating this morning after more than a dozen people who got the coronavirus vaccine have come down with myocarditis and inflammation of the heart. The number of cases isn't any more than what health officials would expect to see among the same millions of people who haven't been vaccinated, but investigators at the CDC say they still need to look into this.
The CDC issued this information and this notice out of an abundance of caution. They're trying to investigate to see if they're related at all to the vaccine. At this point, there is no relationship proven.
It seems to happen more often in teens, young adults, and for some reason, men more than women, usually 4 days after the second dose of the vaccine. And the condition usually went away on its own. The U.S. Department of Defense is already looking into 14 cases in service members who took the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines. But all these cases together are still a tiny fraction of the nearly 128 million people in this country who've been fully vaccinated without any issues. So far, about 1 out of every 5 million people getting the vaccine have reported heart inflammation. Putting it plainly, the odds of being struck by lightning are significantly better, 1 in 700,000. And doctors underline that the benefits of immunization outweigh these small risks. With the help of the vaccine, this was able to happen Sunday night. 15,000 fans at Madison Square Garden for a playoff game between the Knicks and the Atlanta Hawks.
We haven't been in the Garden in so long, so it's just nice to get that energy back.
It was the largest indoor event in New York State since the pandemic. 90% of the people who were at that game last night had to prove it, a process we're probably going to see a lot more often. People who weren't vaccinated, could not prove that they were vaccinated, still had to wear masks and keep social distance. George.
Steve Osensami, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.